Is the PA working? I think my one's working. So, as Jake just said, it's Eddie, the Robbers, and Jensen Button. So, Jensen's microphone, everything's working. So, welcome to the front of the stage. Jensen Button. I think that's my popular here.
I wouldn't have been able to go on that. I'm pretty bad when it comes to music, but guys, seriously, thank you so much for your support today. It's been much needed for us today. It's been a tough day, but when we did our slowdown lap, Lewis and myself, and still the crowd going wild, it was very emotional for us. So thank you for that support, guys.
Out there. Something we always ask you, because it tries to bring these people closer to the racing. I know it wasn't the ideal weekend for you, but just if you can, put us in the cockpit of your car and give us an idea of what the conditions were like, not just today in the drive, but also yesterday when the rain was thundering down and you had a sort of hour and a half wait just to get out on track.
Well, I didn't, because I was already out qualifying.
I was trying to be nice.
But nice to hear up on your racing, Jake.
Cheers, JB. I love you too.
I don't know if any of you guys saw this corner here. This corner was phenomenal in the race. There was some really good overtaking moves here. I had a lot of fun here with Nico Rosberg during the race, but you know, I finished that. It's not great, but I had a hell of a race. I really enjoyed myself out there. So.
Because I think something that is worth pointing out to people, of course you want to be in the front, you want to be winning races, but actually racing in a pack, fighting people, racing for position from the start to the front, from the front to the back of the Grand Prix, it's exciting for you guys, isn't it?
It is, and you know, we're as a team not quick enough at the moment, but I enjoyed the race. I feel that today we did the rest of it good. You know, pit stops were amazing. There's one guy that's in the pit stops that got his knees sliced open in Valencia in the pit stop. He had internal stitches and external stitches, and he hasn't mechanics all week, but he came back today to do the pit stops, and he had the quickest pit stops out of a lot of them, so amazing. Congratulations.
Yeah, well done you. Your pit stops are 2.8 and 3.1 seconds, and I know your team claimed that their 2.6 in Valencia last time out is the quickest in the history of Formula One. Just give us an idea of what it's like for you at the moment in McLaren, because we saw you win that first race. Wasn't that a great first win of the season in Australia? You guys all enjoyed that. Where do you feel you're at now?
It's been a difficult season. You know, the first few races were amazing, and then I went a different direction with the car, and it didn't work. But Valencia, we sorted it out, and I was much happier. And here as well, I was much happier, but just things didn't go away. So, disappointing result, but you know, I had a lot of fun, as I said, out there, and it was great to see you guys and the support you gave us today. So, thank you.